JONR P20 Pro, Unboxing and User Guide. Package list: dirty tank, clean water tank, base station, extension plate, dust bag, robot, side brush, manual, mops. Install the side brush. Install the mop pad holders. Place the base station against the wall. Attach the base. Near a place with a strong Wi-Fi signal. Connect to a power source. Long press for 3 seconds to turn on. Place the robot on the station to charge. Take out the clean water tank. Fill the clean water. The base station is ready. Network configuration. Download Mi Home app or Xiaomi Home in your app stores. Enter the Mi Home Xiaomi Home app homepage. Click the plus to add the device. Check if the robot is detected by the app. If not, click the search bar and search JONR P20 Pro. Follow the app instruction. Long press both the power button and recharge button for 3 seconds until you hear the voice prompt. Start entering the network configuration mode. Select the same Wi-Fi as your phone. Maintenance. Take out and empty the dirty water tank. Scrub the tank with cleaning brush. Remove the front cover. Take out the dust bag and toss away. Clean the dust bag compartment. Remove the brush cover and take out the main brush. Remove the hair and cut the tangled hair if needed. Clean the side brush. Clean the wheel. Take out the omnidirection wheel and clean. Take out the dust box and empty the rubbish. Wash the dust box and filter to get rid of leftover. Wipe regularly the sensors with a dry cloth